Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out this iPhone. So this is a iPhone 2-in-1 case. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. So the box is actually really cool. So comes in a really cool box. Normally when it comes in a nice packaging, normally it's a high quality item. And I mean, look at this. It comes in this hard protective shell with a carrying case, or you can hang this somewhere. You open it just like this. I mean, so far guys, it is really nice. So inside here, and the 2-in-1 feature of this is going to be a protective housing unit, and also probably tempered glass front case, I believe it is. So yeah, let's go ahead, open this up. So you get 2 tempered glass screen protectors for your phone. So everyone has to have tempered glass protectors. I have them on my phones, all my GoPros, all my cameras have tempered glass protecting the lenses and everything. So this is what it looks like. Make sure you check out the listing for compatibility for your phone, but it does have a spot for wireless charging. So that is built in a nice groove, so you can use this and still wirelessly charge your Apple device. Overall, it's made out of a nice flexible silicone, but yet the edges are a harder silicone. So if you can see here how flexy it is, but then the edges are harder, and that protects the outer shell. You also have your buttons built in, your ports opened up. On the bottom you have your sound ports opened up, and for charging opened up, and of course your camera lenses. Now for the camera lens, it actually sticks out a little bit to help protect your lenses. So overall, this is a great, nice cover for your cell phone. And guys, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna sacrifice one of these tempered glass to show you guys how they actually work. By the way, it does come with a cleaning cloth for your phone, and you want to clean your phone before you put on the tempered glass. But to put the tempered glass on is simple. You peel this back, so it's going to look like this, and you're going to peel this piece off, and the part that you're pulling off, this is going to be the front, so that's going to face down. So you peel that off, and then you're going to stick this down on your phone. The part that you just peeled off goes against your screen, and once you do that, let's pretend my phone, you then apply pressure and it will stick. Now, what I love about tempered glass is when you drop your phone or scratches or anything, it helps protect your phone. In fact, you have over 50%, I think it was like 70 or 75% chance of your phone being saved if you drop it hard by having one of these than not. So when you drop it, these flex, so they flex pretty good. And as you drop your phone, how you hit it can cause your phone to shatter, crack. This, if this hits, it absorbs the shock and cracks this screen, your protector, instead of your phone, unless you like really slam your phone down extremely hard. But for normal drops, I've seen people drop it from 10 feet and still protect their phone. But this is what happens. So just like that. And as you guys saw how it bent, it shatters into thousands of micro pieces, and it protects your phone. And you guys just saw how much pressure I had to put on for this to snap. So that helps protect your phone, and instead of a new phone or a new screen, you just go and buy a new protector. That's it. It's that simple. So guys, trust me, you want this screen protector. Check the listing to make sure it's compatible with your phone. You want this. High quality, both the case and, as you guys saw the screen, that's high quality tempered glass.